Hello guys, welcome back to yet an app. For today's video, we are going to show you how to create a Canva slideshow video for beginners. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So first thing that we'll need here is to have a account on Canva. So if you don't have an account yet, you could basically sign up using your Google account if you already have that, and basically signing up in Canva is pretty easy. Now once you have your account, let's go ahead and start creating our design. So at the top right, you should be able to see a button that says create design, and from there, just go ahead and click on it. And from here, you should be able to see the suggested designs. Now, since we want to create a slideshow or video slideshow, let's go ahead and just type in slideshow here. And from here, you should be able to see an option that says product listing slideshow video, holiday slideshow video. So there's a lot of slideshow videos that you could choose from, but if you want the ordinary one, let's go ahead and choose the slideshow video option. Now in this case, it's going to start creating our canvas, and from here, we can go ahead and start using it. Now in this case, they have templates here that you might want to use. Like for example, if this is for a wedding, you might want to use the wedding option here, which gives you a template that you just need to fill out. Now if you want to build this from the scratch, well, it's actually pretty easy. So first thing that we want to do here is we first have to add our assets. So in this case, let's go to the upload or left section, upload section here. And in this case, you could go ahead and just drag all your photos that you want to use. So you first have to upload all the photos that you need to use before you'll be able to use it in your canvas. Now in this case, since I already have all my photos, what I need to do here is just start adding them. Now in this case, let's go ahead and choose this photo here and drag it into our canvas, and we were able to successfully add this one. Now for our first design, we first have to match the background of our canvas here. So let's go ahead and maximize our photo here as much as we can. And from here, we could go ahead and click on our background, and at the top left, you should be able to see the background color. Now in this case, you could go ahead and choose a appropriate color, like for example, this color here. And from here, you could basically reposition it. Now in this case, since this is done, I'm satisfied with my slide here. We could go ahead and go to the next slide. Let's go ahead and click on the add page option here at the bottom. And from here, let's go ahead and add our next photo. Now for our next photo, we want to basically add an effect. Like for example, we want to maximize the photo here. Just to give you an example, I'm going to maximize my photo here. And from here, once I maximize it, I want to basically blur it a bit or reduce the opacity. Now in this case, what we need to do is we need to click on the image itself and click on the transparency option, and we'll be able to change the transparency itself. Now once we have, like for example, 30 transparency here, we need to add our photo again to give that effect. And once we added our photo, let's go ahead and basically edit again. As you can see, we are resizing it, and as you can see, we have that really cool effect that you see right now. Now from here, since I am now satisfied with this effect, let's go ahead and add another page. Now in this case, we want to add this final photo here that we want to use. But I want to add another effect here that might be kind of cool if you're going to think about it. Let's go ahead and add a very small photo here. And once we added that photo, let's go ahead and add another page here and add that photo again. Now in this case, the next page, we are going to basically make the photo a lot bigger. Now in this case, we want to go ahead and position it here. Let's go back into the section here and make it a lot smaller at the right side. Now in this case, at the very bottom, you'll be able to change the duration of each pages. Now in this case, if you want to make one page a bit longer, you could go ahead and drag it to the right side, and from here make it a lot longer. Now if you want to change the second page here, you could go ahead and have or reduce the size or the length of it by going to the left side. Now in this case, we want to reduce this section here. We want to make it very short. Now once you've done that, the next thing we want to do here is we need to start adding our transitions. Now to add your transitions at the bottom here, just click or hover over the position between those slides and just click on the add transition. Now from here, you'll be able to choose different transitions. Like for example, we could use dissolve, slide, circular wipe, or color wipe. Now in this case, let's first use the color wipe here. And from here, we need to add another transition on our next section here. Let's go ahead and click on the transitions here. And from here, we want to choose a proper one. Like for example, we want to use maybe flow. Now from here, you could choose the direction. It may be going to the left, right, up, down, or if you want to choose shop or a different transition here, you go ahead. For now, let's choose the flow here and the default settings, and we want to go to the last section here and add a transition. Now finally, in this transition, we want to use the match move option. So go ahead and choose that. And from here, once you've added all those details or all of the design that you want to add, you can go ahead and start playing it. Now in this case, we want to go in here, like for example, as you can see, this is an example of our video. And in here, if you want to further edit this one, there are other elements that you could use as well. Like for example, you could go ahead and draw, add text if you want that. So they have templates here that you could use. Like for example, we want to say golden R here. You could go ahead and add that if you want to. And yeah, so that's about it. So this one is pretty easy. Now, if you want to finally, like for example, share this to other people, just click on the share at the top right. And from here, you have other options like Facebook page, template link, percent, or a public view link. Now in this case, if you want to download it, just click on download here, choose your video quality, and from here, just click on download, and the download process should start. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Yellow App. Thank you for watching.